So I'm mind blown right now. I was recording that video and it took like 35 minutes, maybe 40 minutes or so. At the end of the video, I kind of went back to Google and see if something had happened. You know, I know stuff happens really quick, but this literally blew my mind. So in like 30 minutes, our video is already ranking for big terms. And I'm just going to show you my screen. So let me show you this. Okay, so I'm super excited. All right, this is the title of our project that we have used. So look at this. 35 minutes ago, I've uploaded this, and it's already ranking for these terms. Now, the mind-blowing thing that even if I remove some of those keywords and make it actually like a hard one, so two-car garage installation in Tempe, look at who's coming up. Boom, right there. And watch this. This is another project that we have that I actually created a couple of days ago. And this is our video. Now, it's been 45 minutes. I refreshed. All right. So, but it's just crazy because, you know, for that term, I don't see us here yet on the new project. But as I said, it's been 45 minutes. I don't think it's even indexed. And look what's ranking there. This project is ranking there. Like couple of words, not even a big description, couple of images, and that's it. It's create ranking. So two-car garage installation in Tempe, it's a pretty big, it's a big keyword. Having like 3 wins on the SERP, like being here, and being here for that term in such a short time, no backlinks, nothing. This is great. It's mind blowing. And if you guys want to search this website, I literally have nothing done on this. It's a 1-page website, like, and there is nothing on it. So why would it even be ranked, like outrank so many other people for that term? So I'm super excited for this. Just kind of wanted to show you like how powerful this method is. So if you just follow the steps that I did, this is what you can expect out of it. That's awesome. In this video, I'm gonna share with you one of my best secrets and my best techniques to use local Wiz to actually win on Google and YouTube really fast without working too much. My name is Eldar from Local Wiz, and let's just go and get it done. All right, in this video, we're actually going to see step by step what exactly needs to be done to achieve those ranking. Super simple, so bear with me. First thing we're going to do, we're going to start and create a new project. All right, so I'm going to go to Local Wiz, obviously, and then just click on New Project. I already made most of the stuff that I need, so you don't have to wait. So let me just grab all that stuff. Title is very important. You want to make sure that your title is relevant as much as it can be and make sure that your keywords are there. So my title description is this. A lot of times I like to have to add a zip code, not only just a city. Let's grab a little meta description here. And I got this description that I'm going to be using. And this looks like it's all bold. Let's just do it this way. And of course, I'm going to do some linking here. And I'm going to link this to the home page. Let me just grab it. Let's see. Now, by the way, the more content you have, the better. So I always recommend to have projects with probably like 300 words, anywhere between 3 to even 750. That will be the best. Although I found that a lot of times these are not a lot, but in most cases they rank even with like 2 sentences. So it's pretty like mind blowing. So I got my description, and we're gonna get back to the description a little later. Now let's add some keywords to my project. So let's see, this is going to be, I'm going to grab new garage door. I'm going to do, let's see. All right, let me have garage door installation as a category. Let's do short panel garage door. Let's do this. Let's add those. Oh, let's grab two-car garage. Tempe, it's the city. We definitely want to have Tempe. And garage door replacement. That's also a good one. I'm going to put this one here. So as you remember, your alt tags is actually a combination of the keywords. Oh, I already have this one here. So garage door replacement. Beautiful. All right, so I got this. I'm gonna grab an address. You can put in the full address, but don't worry because on the public side, they won't see the whole thing. They're only going to see the city and, sorry, they're gonna see the street and they're gonna see the city zip and all that stuff. They won't see the house number and it's gonna be hidden. So you can use the full address. Let's grab some photos. Oops, that's not right here. We're gonna grab, let's say this will be our main cover image. And let's upload. So I chose this one. So let's grab these. And this one, and this one, and this one. Let's add all of these guys. All right. So that's gonna add it. It's gonna take a second to basically upload all of these because I chose a lot of them. If you don't have a sidebar, by the way, here you can create a custom sidebar that is going to be specifically for this project. So if you're working with multi-location company, you want to create a sidebar that is specifically for the area of that project you're creating. So I'm working on Tempe. It's important that in my sidebar, what it's going to show, it's going to show the business, the location in Tempe. Okay. So all of the images are here. We have the address. We got this. Perfect. That's it. I'm going to click Save Project and it's going to publish it. You can also set it as draft. So you can come back to it in a little later time. This can take a little bit of time, really depending on the amount of photos that you have. Basically what happened is it's going to upload everything in the server, it's going to process everything, and it's going to post it directly on your WordPress. So let's just give this a minute. And, well, that wasn't a minute, that was just a couple of seconds. So let's see. All right, I'm just gonna let this do this thing for a second. In the meanwhile, what you can do, oops, did I already did that? Oh, perfect. So I uploaded draft to Google, to YouTube, short video, 30 seconds. What you can do, you can create, oh, I wanna show it. By the way, once it's gonna start, you'll have a progress bar here. So it's gonna show you your progress. If you don't have a video, just have, create a slideshow, like create a slideshow from all of your photos. If you have like 4 or 5 photos, you can create a slideshow. Sometimes I like to take those photos if I only have like 2 or 4, and I'll just create a collage out of it. And you basically turn 2 or 4 photos into like 6 photos or 5 photos, all right? And then you can turn it into a video. Cool, so this is done. I can click on preview. And this is actually going to show me the project directly on my website. As you see, this is the website I'm working on. I have this project here with all that stuff. I need to fix this in the settings so it's going to display in a better way. But regardless, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my cover image. I'm going to do save as. And as you can see, the name is the same name as our project. So we already renamed it as well. So that's optimizing the photo. I'm gonna keep this and come back to it in a second. I'm gonna grab this title here and I'm gonna change my title here. And what I'm gonna do, I am going to grab this description and I'm gonna use it here and I'll do learn more or see more, whatever you would like to do at this point, and create a link and add a link to it here. Now, another thing that I want to do, I'm going to grab this again. I'm going to go to Google My Business and I'm going to create a post. I'm going to create a post with this information and I'm going to do the learn more. And the learn more is going to be the title of this project. So it's going to do that. Now you can also do that in the description. The best if you can squeeze it in the description. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not. So the more links you can put in the description of the post, the better. And then let's upload a photo. What? Oh, that's COVID updates. No, I need to do what's new. I just changed this. And I'm going to grab the photo that I believe it was it was right here. I'm going to grab this photo. and you can upload it. You know, if you want to use a different things like it's going to upload it via the API, you can do that. We will have that feature very soon. So I have the photo right here, and then I have my description here, and here the link we put in the project. I'm going to publish this, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab this. I'm going to do the share post. I'm going to take this URL right here, and I'm going to add it to. Oh. Did I just, I guess I took all my description. So I'm just gonna do, let's go back to this post real quick. I'll just see it on Google real quick. Cool, so that's fine. I'm just gonna grab this and I'm gonna put it right here. So this is my description. You can do see us on Google. Now again, the most, not the most, but it's super important. If you will put in some effort into your description and stuff like that, then you will get better ranking and better results. So, you know, pour in quality content is always going to do better than just something generic. So what I'm going to see us on Google, or let's just put here, that's fine. Let's just do that for now. And then my next one is going to be see our project here, or see our, let's do our work here. Let me grab that. Where was that URL? Just grab it again. All right, perfect. So I got this, I got all that stuff, and then I'm gonna copy this, by the way. And I'll go next. Oops, this is not for kids. Let's do next, and let's do next, and this is gonna be public. I'm gonna get this in a sec, and let's publish. Cool. So now I have my video on YouTube, and basically what I'm going to do, I'm gonna grab the embed code, and let's do embed, and I'll go back to here, and I'm going to paste it. You'll go to text, and you'll just paste it here. Then you can go to visual, and our video is going to be right here again. All right. And another thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab the post as well, and I'm going to see, let's see, check out garage door repair on Google, and I'm just gonna link this to this. And another thing that I like to do a lot is to grab our CID link, and let's link garage door repair services in Tempe. We'll just do that. There's an extra space here. And I'm just going to link this to this. Cool, so I created inner link to the homepage, I created a link to my CID link, and I created a link to my Google post link, and I have YouTube here as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna update the project, and it's gonna process it. So basically what we did, we created a project on our website, and then we created another project or asset on YouTube, and then we shared it on Google Posts. So everything is linking up together. We're gonna give it a second, it's still processing. And basically another thing I'm going to do, I can actually already do it. I can go to these photos, and what I will do, I will download these photos, and I have to change this in the settings. But basically I will download these photos and I will upload those into Google My Business. So those photos are also going to be there. Regardless if you're doing it from the API or not, those photos will be recognized by Google, because when they scan that photo, they will know to associate it with your business, the one that you're working on right now. So it's super important to take those and upload those into Google My Business. All right. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or you need any help, just let me know. We can wait another second while this is going to finish it, and I can show you the complete project. Let's click review, and voila. All right, so you see, now I have this. This is linking to Google. This is linking to my CID. You can also throw another link if you want. You know, you can throw as many links as you want, but ideally you want to have like 3 to 5 links, one external, a couple internal. And as you know, now you already have those pages on your website. So if somebody is going to, click on, let's say, garage door replacement, now they will see all of the projects associated with this. So it's also going to create tons of content on your website the more projects you'll add. And you see, you can go, let's say, garage door repair, and now you can see that you have 3 of those. You'll have 3 of those, or as many projects as you uploaded. This is basically the steps by step for this method. We're basically creating a post on Google, video on YouTube, and sharing all that stuff on our website. And if you do everything right, this will give you crazy ranking. And what's going to happen is for that terms you guys are going to go after, not only you're going to show in the organic with your website, it's also going to show a section of YouTube. So we will get to a point where we show up for that query in multiple places on the SERP. So it's really cool and it's super powerful. Reach out if you have any questions, and that's it for now.